Oriel School is an academy, and we're one of the academies that belong to GLF Schools, which is a multiple academy trust based in Surrey.
So procurement in any school, whether it be new build or procurement across a large number of schools like GLF Schools is, brings with it a number of challenges but a number of opportunities, and if we manage to not only select the right technology but the right partner, we get the right outcome. Now, our relationship with elementary technology has enabled us not just to focus on product in terms of box shifting, but actually how they go that extra mile in terms of pre-design, build, implementation, installation and training. One of the services that elementary technology offers is a classroom health check. Where that's really important to us as a multi-academy trust is the ability to have all of our schools at a level playing field. So the classroom health check has enabled me and other school leaders to look at the technology that's within our classrooms and ascertain what needs to be replaced and when. And through our procurement that we've got with elementary technology, the best way to get to that end goal at the most sensible price. As a MAT with 27 schools and a centralised IT function, which is quite unique in the sector, having the right technology partner is really important to us. My team see elementary technology as an extension to our own internal team, providing support to not only the schools as they need it, but to my engineers.